Welcome back to Maths with Mrs. J. I'd like to, at this point in our integration videos, do an example where we're finding a natural function, including needing to find that c. So we're told that dy dx is x times 1 minus 1 on x all squared. We're told that f of 1 is 2.5, so when x is 1, y is 2.5. And we're asked to find an expression for y. Now, obviously, if we're going from dy dx to y, that should tell us that we need to integrate. We're doing the opposite of differentiation. We have a power and we do have a product out the front. Let's just check to see, because sometimes if you have a power, you might happen to have the derivative of that function out the front. In this case, we actually don't. So our best course of action here is going to be to do a full expansion of this first. So let's do that. We're not actually integrating anything yet. We're just expanding. All right, so we're going to get x times 1 squared, which is 1, minus 2 times 1 times that, plus our 1 on x squared. So that's our expansion of our squared, bringing the x in, and we get that. So that's our first step. We ideally want to have our function that we need to integrate in a fairly easy format to do that. We don't really want a product or a quotient unless we can do our, what I call chain rule in reverse business, which we couldn't do here. All right, so y is going to be the integral of this with respect to x. All right, integral of x will be x squared on 2. Integral of 2 will be 2x. Integral of of 1 on x is natural log of x, and we've got plus our c. Now we are told in the question that f of 1 is 2.5. All right, so f of 1 is 2.5. So that tells us that 2.5 equals 1 squared on 2, which is a half, minus 2 times 1 plus natural log of 1 plus c. Now, natural log of 1, thinking back to our logs, what that's really saying is, what do I raise e to give me 1? Well, that's going to be 0, isn't it? So we're ending up with 2.5 is minus 1.5 plus 0 plus c. So c is obviously 4. So our function is going to be this expression here with the correct c put in there. So x squared on 2 minus 2x plus natural log x plus our form.